Hey guys, welcome back. So today's really interesting video. I've partnered up with Tygervalley Mall to create some quick and easy tutorials to help you get ready during this lockdown. This video includes makeup, skincare and hair, something I've never ever done before. This look is just something really easy to do with minimal product to help you get ready as quick as possible in the morning or some video call meetings, you never know. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So during this lockdown, you guys obviously can't get the most amazing skincare products. Like I use Korean skincare, but if you walk into Clicks, you will still get your usual Nivea products that are available. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite Nivea products, which is perfect to use during this time. First off is the Perfect and Radiant 3-in-1 Wash Scrub Mask. It's the 3-in-1 cleanser. This is for normal to oily skin. I have dehydrated skin, dehydrated to dry. I still use this and it's amazing. I love how smooth it makes my skin feel, and it just really prepares my skin for the rest of my skincare routine. So I will definitely recommend the Perfect and Radiant. It's a face wash, it's a scrub, and it's a mask in one. Literally, what more could you want out of one product? So I already washed my face with that, and then I'm going to be applying, this was a moisturizer that I grew up with. This was the only one that I ever used. I recently posted some throwback pictures of my matric ball, and this was sitting on my desk. That's how long I've been using the product, and it's called the Nivea Soft. It's for your face, body and your hands. So I absolutely love this. It's so hydrating, and it's not only for dry skin, it's definitely for oily skin as well. Remember, the only reason why you are constantly secreting oil if you have an oily skin is because your skin is lacking moisture. So now your skin is trying to over secrete oils to make up for that dehydration. So I'm just going to apply this. For you super low maintenance girls that want to have one product for everything, this is definitely it. And then let me just talk about the importance of moisturizing your skin, especially before makeup. You really want to have the most moisture and have super hydrated skin before you apply your makeup. And that's because if you apply makeup on top of dry skin, all your skin is going to do is pull all of that moisture out of your makeup, out of your foundation, and your makeup is going to start to separate. It's not going to be flawless all day, and you're going to think it's your skin, you're going to think it's the product, but it's actually you are not prepping your skin correctly. So these are definitely my two must-haves. Go ahead and try these. I'm pretty sure you are going to be just as obsessed as I am, and it's super affordable and you can get it during the lockdown. So besides those two products, if you do want to apply makeup but you don't have primer and you are obviously not able to buy primer during this time, I would go ahead and get the Nivea Aftershave Balm. There was such a huge hype around that. I don't know if you guys can remember, but everybody was using Nivea Aftershave Balm as a primer, and I'm telling you, it worked amazingly, especially on oily skin. So if you are desperate to get a good primer for your makeup because maybe you're having meetings the whole day, then go ahead and try the Nivea Aftershave Balm. So now that our face is nicely moisturized, I'm just going to use my primer that I usually use. Okay, so now that we have primed, I really just want to create a glowy, fresh face. So I'm going to be doing the brows first, and I'm going to use my pure soap to create a fluffy brow. And this is just easy way to kind of lift the face, because once you lift and shape the brow, the whole face is just transformed. So I'm just going to wet my soap. You can wet it with water if you want. I'm just using a setting spray. Okay, cool. So now I am going to be adding my concealer, and this is the Revlon Colorstay Full Coverage Concealer in shade 55 Chestnut, and I'm just gonna do underneath my eyes on the outer corner, my nose, a bit around my mouth, any blemishes. So this is just going to get rid of any imperfections on your face. You don't really want to look like you applied a full face of makeup, so we are just basically doing spot concealing. While I wait for that to set, I'm going to attempt to curl my lashes. And then we're going to take the same concealer but in a darker shade, which is the 75, and I am going to just clean contour my face. This is just so we don't look flat. So we are just adding a dimension to the face. Okay, so I'm going to add some flush to the cheeks so we look alive. I'm going to be using the Note Pinky Beach. Okay, so we want to wake the eyes up, and I'm just going to do that by adding a slight liner to the outer corner of the eye. We don't want a dramatic wing, y'all. We just want to elongate the eyes. And for this, I'm going to be using the roller liner from Benefit. The bottom line, the actual wing, doesn't start like exactly at the inner corner. I'm going slightly higher, so I'm bringing the eyes up. We need to add a glow to the face. To do that, I'm going to be using my W Beauty Illuminating Stick. And I'm literally just going to apply this on the high points of my face. And then with my fingers, I'm going to blend. I'm going to add our mascara now. You can just use your favorite mascara. I'm going to be using my MAC in Extreme Mascara. And then I am just going to finish this look off with my W Beauty Tinted Gloss in shade Quartz. Okay, that is makeup done. We are now going to go on to hair, and I am going to show you guys two really easy hairstyles. So the first hairstyle, this is literally just me waking up this morning. So what I usually do is I will take a comb and I'm just going to backward brush my hair, I guess, just to give it a lot of volume, because you can't go wrong with volume. It just looks good on everyone. So I'm just gonna flip my head over and kind of get as much volume in my hair as possible. And now we are going to dry shampoo, and I'm using my Tresemme Instant Refresh dry shampoo, which is such a fave of mine. Swoop all of your hair to one side. Sexy, wild, no effort kind of look. And it looks really cute and wild and fresh. So that is like my go-to hair. And then if you want something more put together and more professional, this is what you want to do. So I'm going to take a piece from the front here. To make it like maybe 3 centimeters. And then we're going to take all of the rest of the hair, and we are going to brush up. And then using this product that I use quite often, this is the Beautiful Volume by Tresemme, and I'm going to just give it a shake first. Okay, now that the product is in your hair, I'm just going to brush so it's really nice and sleek. Then with this piece in front, I'm just going to brush it and then straighten and then make like a slight curl at the end. But then I'm going to take this hair and hairspray it to the back, brush it back. I'm going to hold it against my head the way I brushed it, of course. So you push it back, you hold it there, then you want to brush it forward. And then the hair at the back you can put into a bun, or you can leave into a nice ponytail. And then this hair just creates a really nice small piece like of volume in front, and then it's nice and sleek and professional looking against the face. And guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. The skincare advice, the makeup look, and both hairstyles. And if you do try any of them, please tag. I would love to see, and I will see you in my next video.